Cool. Okay, Frida's not here, so I'm gonna kill some time. I would love to be flying the drone right now, but unfortunately it went into the Roski Slap River in the national park. So I can cut to some drone footage from over there. We were over there when we first arrived a month ago, so check that out. Wow.
What's this, Davy?
What is it? It looks like a altar. Someone's written a note. Where are you? What is this? Oh, this is the Hitler's cave. Wow. It is. It's creepy as. What is that there? Scared the living daylights out of me. I read something about it being used in World War II. Wow. Yes, I just did that. And this is what we come for. Hello, little fruity. So we have been trying to scope out sunset spots the whole time we've been here, and right on our last week we've come across the top of this fortress. You can see it from this castle behind me, but look at this amazing sunset. It's just absolutely stunning in the background. That's the fortress behind us, Fortress Michael, I think it is. There's a sign over here. Go and have a look. Do not climb the St. John's Castle on your own.